yeah, 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 yeah. Emma, what happened now? You're making noise. You're distracting me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Stop now, What kind of noise is this one? Are you not seeing that I'm reading? The place is too quiet. Did somebody die here? Ha! Everything quiet, quiet, quiet. Your voice again, I will stone you this book. I will just stone you this book now. What is your problem? Every time noise, noise, noise. Are you not tired of making noise? When somebody is reading, say you're making noise. Carry your noise outside. If you want to make noise, go to the parlor and make noise. I should go. This place is too quiet though. Did somebody die? Nobody died. They don't used to bury somebody in this house. It's only where they bury people. And the place used to quiet. Yeah, look for my floor. I will stone you this book. I will stone you this book. And yeah, get out. Get out from here. Yeah. Ha! Every time noise, noise, noise. You will not allow somebody to read it, please.